Echoing to the rhythm of ocean waves and sandy undulations, its texture brings depth and movement. On the iconic crescent of Palm Jumeirah, a new architectural marvel rises. PASSO, a sculptural development by Beyond. It's more than buying a home. It's owning an address of distinction. Surrounded by water from all sides, PASSO offers uninterrupted 360-degree views of the sea, city skyline, and the Palm. With the most prestigious and recognizable address in Dubai, PASSO brings you a shoreline of your own, both a residence and a landmark. It's a destination where every facet of life is enhanced. The dynamic and stepping design of the towers create a dancing synergy, forming a sculptured canyon. A thoughtfully curated collection of 625 residences defines this development. From our one-bedroom and two-bedroom garden wellness units with private outdoor gardens, a plunge pool, direct landscape and beach access, to the residence options of 1, 2, 3 and 4-bedroom residences, all boasting unobstructed views of various landmarks and sceneries. The 4 and 5-bedroom penthouses are equipped with dedicated enclosed parking, private lobbies, and direct private elevator access. They feature lower floor spacious terraces with integrated plunge pools and upper floor family living spaces with expansive views. Master suites include open views, private terraces, lounges, spacious his and hers dressing rooms, and bathrooms with standalone bathtubs. Inspired by nautical architecture, beach mansions include private and enclosed basement parking, an individual private lobby with lift and staircase access, and living spaces extending into the lush gardens with plunge pools. They feature show and preparation kitchens, side gardens for outdoor dining with beach views, first floor family living overlooking the lower floor, and second floor master suites with private lounges, terraces, and comprehensive views. PASSO is an experience where every resident can curate their own lifestyle. Glassbox lobbies, which extend into lush outdoor areas, foster social interaction and a variety of activities. Multiple cascading water features, including a dedicated kids pool, an infinity-edged experience pool, a spacious family pool with wet and sunken lounges, and a 250-metre sandy beach with cabanas and sun lounges. Residents can access social lounges, library and executive spaces, the lounge, private cinema, entertainment terraces, a rooftop sky pool and sky garden. The spa with multiple high-end facilities and a wellness pool that overlooks the sunset view. Additional features include a kids pavilion with a rich array of indoor and outdoor sensory activities, and a gym with indoor and outdoor yoga spaces, spa pools and relaxation areas. Every detail is considered to create a space that feels quietly luxurious, timeless, and deeply personal.